friend, I will definitely share my experience with you all people. Last 20 years, I'm in medical law practice. I was a doctor like you. I surrendered my medical degree, opted for bar council registration in 2012. And last 10 to 11 years, I'm practicing as a lawyer in various courts of law, including apex courts like Honorable Supreme Court and High Courts and other courts of the country. And have learned a lot in a practical aspect when I started dealing with medical negligence cases in court of law, how and what way it impacts our people and how our people can look to the smaller thing and protect themselves in any litigation. And that's the reason why I thought of sharing my experience with my people, because I found that education is wisdom, and I could able to share my experience with the people so that they can understand what court wants from them and they can protect themselves by this knowledge. I say so because litigations are increasing in our country, my friend. Day in, day out, I am seeing cases in the country. And most importantly, I have seen that affected people in this country is a gynecologist. In my experience, around 50% plus cases out of 18,000 issues which I have handled was in relation to gynec. It does not mean that other fields are not affected. Even other fields are very much affected. Let it be a psychiatrist or could be a dermat, which were known to be very safe, could be radiologist or pathologist who are known to be much safer. They don't deal directly with the patient. And also dental surgeons. And you will agree with me, recently for anomalous scan, my radiologist has been ordered to compensate 1.25 crores as a medical negligence in case of anomalous scan. So you can imagine how the courts are looking to the things today. And lots of cases getting decided in court of law where crores of compensation is awarded to the patient. So it's like Admi Mara to Safed Hathi. What we said that now even people of 90 years and 95 years age dying because of natural death also going to the court of law. Because somewhere we found that people do feel that after that it is like an insurance, we are going to get it. So this is very important today to understand medical law to protect ourselves. And lots of cases are cropping in the country where we need to really think of that and we need to protect ourselves. I say so because even the frivolous cases are going to the court of law. Of no reason, my doctor has been called to the court of law. Let me give you a very recent example of a doctor who has been called by some interior of Maharashtra, a police station. Police visited her clinic, inquired for the documents, someone was given to her and later booked in case, which was actually a case between husband, in-laws and the wife. Wife has filed a case against the husband in-laws for causing domestic violence, dowry extortion, and other. In that, she has narrated in her FIR that her bachchu was aborted by husband and their family without her consent. And she named a doctor who has given an MTP tablet to her. And this doctor was also booked under 313 with their families. 313 says that causing miscarriage without woman's consent, it attracts 10 years punishment, my friend, non-bailable offense. And since it was already named in FIR, no option left for us to rush and take an anticipatory bail of this lady, where she was not at all in fault. One, she has not done it because there was nothing as evidently found by the police where she can be troubled, only because one document submitted by the complainant and of sonography report where she has done a sonography, where she named this doctor who has not referred her also, because she does not refer to particular diagnostic center where she went. But since radiologist has asked which doctor, she has given as a family doctor name and doctor's name, and where the conception product query was observed. Only on that basis, they have linked that this doctor would have given a tablet. I don't know. But we are waiting for charge sheet to see that what investigation police has done to come to that conclusion so that we can file a discharge application. So this is not a one case. MTP tablet cases are much in our country. Let it be with gynecologist or MTP done through tablet or done through the procedure. Because MTP Act 1917 has given a clearer guidelines that how the center need to be registered, what are the norms need to be, including the amendment of MTP Act have provided abortion till 24 weeks of pregnancy. Then lots of guidelines. MTP is not only one, but I have found multiple cases against the gynecologists where delivery death has happened, vacuum delivery leaded to complication, forceps delivery leaded to complication. N number of cases, my friend. Not only that, let us the ART Act and Surrogacy Act. If you see the penalty clause, the punishment by lawmaker made under this act is of 10 years in non-bailable and bailable offense, cognizable offense. So we are now going to face a lot act which are going to be Dracula's to us when I talk about criminal liability in medical practice. Criminal liability, my friend, where the end result is jail punishment, where people have to face the trial in court of law if case get registered against them. And it starts with the Indian Penal Code, where for causing simple negligence or a grievous injury where patient is alive, Section 336, 337, 338 comes in a picture, where doctor need to face the dance of the court if at all proven. Not only that, in a death cases, 304A and 304 has been seen in recent past in multiple cases. And that's the reason, my friend, because my doctor were not having a knowledge about law. The case of Rajasthan, if you all remember, where one gynecologist has done suicide just because of fear of law, because she thought, and the media and the politician, everyone is bombarded that she has done a heinous crime where death has happened post-delivery. And she was told through newspaper that she is going to arrested in murder case and 304, and because of unaware of the knowledge and fear of law, she finished her life. It's not one, but nowadays we are seeing a lot, my friend. But let me educate you with my experiences. When I talk about 304A, friend, not to worry, being a bailable offense. Bailable means it is my right to get a bail. It is citizen's right to get a bail. So you're not going to be arrested and you're not going to be sent to the jail, even it is proven against you at a prima facie stage. And in trial, I'll tell you, you're going to win because Evidence Act is very, very strict in our country. And it becomes difficult to prove any negligence against the doctor. So 304A says causing a death without intention with negligent act. And lots of death happens in the maternal, that what we say in during delivery. Many of the time we don't know why patient died in spite of everything is fine. Could be embolism, could be something. So we don't know. And in normal practice also, simple local anesthesia can lead to death by anaphylactic shock, or could be any surgery through bleeding or any other complication can lead to death. So 304A was normal section, which was applied. I'm talking was, mean today also it applies, means it was rapidly applied. But today, the scenario in the country got changed, my friend. I have got multiple cases where 304 has been put on a doctors. 304 means it says causing a death without intention, with the knowledge that particular thing can lead to death. The with the knowledge word put in definition, change the whole scenario of section and it become non-bailable offense. 10 years punishment.